And finally, or no, this is the second last question actually. I think this is question 9. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 problems here. I believe I have 10 problems, hopefully. Let's see, this is number 9 here. I want the square root of 24. Square root of 24. So all I'm going to have to do is I'm going to use prime factorization. Right? So I have root 24. I want to break this 24 down into its prime factors. So I'm using prime factors. And what I can do is I can do 24. I can divide this by 2. So I get root 2 times 24 divided by 2 is 12. I can break this root 12 again into, okay, I can divide another root 2 out. And I get times 12 divided by 2 is 6 here. And this here would be kind of the last kind of set of numbers, because if I broke down root 6, I would simply get root 2 times root 3 here. And that doesn't really give me anything. So I'm going to leave this as root 6 here. And I know that root 2 times root 2 is root 4 times root 6. So and I know the square root of 4 is simply just 2. So I have 2 times root 6, which is simply just 2 root 6. And this here is the square root of 24. And as you can see, this solution here is correct. So solution is correct. Go to analysis.